Assalamu alaikum, مساء الخير, and مرحبا مرة أخرى يا طلاب. Today Miss Saima is here again with you, and today I bring this video for the lesson number 20, درس 20 أحب فصل ربي from the book I Love Arabic, أحب العربية, أحب اللغة العربية. And this video is actually for education purpose, and for this video, for this lesson, we are going to use the book I Love Arabic book series. So let's now start درس 20, درس 20 أحب فصل ربي. فصل ربي is this one. أحب فصل ربي. I love the spring season. This lesson is all about seasons in Arabic and what you can find in those seasons. Yes, so today we are going to learn about seasons. Let's now go to the sentences. Let me clear this drawing. Okay, so the first sentence, if you can see picture here, if you can see picture, al-mataru kathirun fi hadhihi al-madina. Al-mataru kathirun fi hadhihi al-madina. I will read the sentence and I will translate. You can see the family is sitting here and they're talking. What happened actually? Outside is matar. Matar is what? Al-mataru means the rain. Kathirun is the adjective which is basically defining this noun. And fi hadhihi Madina means in this city. So the translation would be Al-mataru kathirun fi hadhihi Madina. The rain is too much in this city. Number 2, Rakam Itnan. Al-usratu, you can see usra, this is usra, family. Al-usratu tajlisu fi ghurfatil julus. The family is sitting, she is sitting. Because the family word, al-usratu, is ending with ta marbuta, is a feminine word. So, for this feminine noun, you have to use a feminine singular verb. Tajlisu means she is sitting. Who is sitting? The family is sitting. Fi ghurfatil julus means in the living room. Number 3. Hiya la tazhabu ila al-hadika. She, who, the family. It doesn't go, la tazhabu doesn't go, ila al-hadika, to the garden. Maza nafalu ya ummi. Okay, the girl or maybe the boy is asking, Maza nafalu ya ummi. What we are doing, oh my mother. Maza, what does or what? This is the interrogative, question word. Nafalu is a verb, present tense verb for all of us. Plural, first person. Nafalu, we all do. Ya ummi, ya is a harf nada. Harf nada means when you call somebody. Ummi, my mother. So here you can see grammatical terms as well. Maza, question word. Nafalu, present tense verb, fi'l mudari. And ya, harf nada, means the word which you use to call someone. Ummi, is a noun. And if you add ya at the end, it should be a possession towards yourself, means my mother. Suppose kitabi, my book. And abi, my father. Qalami, my pen. Or you can say fasli, my class. Oh, sorry, safi, my class. So like that. Nushahidu at-tilfiziyun. The mother is answering. Nushahidu at-tilfiziyun. We are watching the TV. The TV. Tilfiziyun means TV. Nushahidu again is the verb, present tense verb, which we use for nahnu, we all. So we all are watching the TV. Rakam arba, yadkhulu al-ab al-ghurfa. The father is entering the room. Huwa yahmilu nidalla. He is carrying what? Midalla, umbrella, an umbrella. Al-ma'u kathirun fi share. Now, what is he saying? Al-ma'u kathirun fi share. The water is too much in the street. The water is too much in the street. Number 6. Tuhdiru Layla Ashai. Layla, she brings, Layla is the name of his daughter. Ashai means tea. Layla is bringing tea, or she brings. So tuhdiru in Arabic, unlike English, we use for present simple tense, which we use for present, we can use that for present continuous as well. Tuhdiru can be translated according to the sentence as she is bringing or she brings. Both the ways are correct. Yashrabu al-abu al-shai. The father, he drinks the tea or he is drinking the tea. Sanazhabu gadan ila al-hadika. We will go tomorrow ila al-hadika, to the garden. Insha'Allah. It's the Islamic phrase. Insha'Allah means if God wills. Mufradat Jadida now, new vocabulary. Now, if you can see, this all is about seasons. Metaf, coat. A coat is a noun. Sama, sky. Sahab means clouds. Kharif, now these are the 4 seasons. Kharif means autumn. Shita means winter. Saif is summer. Rabi means spring. Al-Kitabu Kharij al-Haqiba. Now this is a nominal sentence. Al-Kitabu, the book. Kharij al-Haqiba means the book is outside the bag. Haqiba means bag. If you use Kharij, so this is outside, the word translated as outside, which is harf zaman wa makan. Zurf zaman wa makan. Zurf zaman wa makan means adverb of place and time. This comes in that category. Actually, kharij is the adverb of place. Kharij, amam, khalf means outside or in front or behind. These all are adverb of place. In Arabic, we call them as zurf makan. Zurf zaman wa makan. Okay. Now, haza tufa kathir means that's a lot of apple, or this is a lot of apple. Haza tufa qalil, this is small or little apple. Now, another sentence, sentence number 11 is توقفت السيارة في وسط الشارع. في وسط الشارع. The car is stopped in the middle of the street, which should not be done. Car should not be stopped on the middle of the street, otherwise it will be very dangerous. Let's now go to learn the conversation. Tawaqqafat al-mataru al-an. You have learned this word. Tawaqqafat means somebody who is stopped, but you can use that is for male. Tawaqqafat al-matar means the rain has stopped al-an right now. Hayya nazhabu ila al-mal'ab. Let's we all go to the mal'ab. How would I know that this sentence means, this nazhab means we all go because of this noon? Okay, if is it yazhab means he is going. If is it azhab means I'm going. If is it tazhab means you are going or she is going. Okay, and you one girl going, tazhabin. These are the different forms of present tense verb. Hayya nazhab ila al-mal'ab. Let's we all go to the ground. Sa'albasu mi'tafi. I will wear my coat. Ahdir ma'aqa al-midalla. Ahdir ma'aqa al-midalla. Now this is the ordering verb. It's a fi'l amr. Fi'l amr means interrogatives of imperative sentences. Imperative sentences means when you order someone, like bring this book, bring with you midallah, okay, bring this one, give me this one. So those all verbs are called in Arabic fi'l amr, means ordering verbs. So in Arabic, ordering verb starts from alif. أحضر معك المظلة. Bring with you the umbrella. الجو جميل خارج البيت. The weather is nice, good, beautiful. خارج البيت means outside the house. في السماء سحاب قليل. In the sky, there are very little clouds. أنا أحب فصل الخريف. خريف. I love the autumn season. هو يحب الصيف. He likes the summer. أنا لا أحب الصيف. أنا أحب الشتاء. I don't like the summer season. I like the winter. الصيف حار والشتاء بارد. The صيف, why he doesn't like صيف? الصيف حار. The summer is hot and the winter is cold. I also don't like summer because summer is hot and especially in UAE, summer is very, very hot. So tell me about yourself. You like summer or not? Now, if you answer me, you have to write your preferences of your weather in Arabic. Remember this. So in comments, please tell me which fasl you like. Okay, and we'll continue with this lesson. Ana uhibbu rabi. Okay, you can answer like this. Ana uhibbu rabi. Ana uhibbu sayf. Ana uhibbu shita. Ana uhibbu. What I'm missing here? I'm missing sayf is done. Shita is done. Then rabi is done. Kharif, autumn. Okay. So ana uhibbu ar-rabi. I like the spring season. Al-jaw mu'tadil fi rabi. Why? Because the weather is moderate. Mu'tadil means moderate in rabi. Al-mataru yanzidu al-an. The rain is getting down right now. Rain is happening right now. Yanzilu actually means something getting down. Udkhulu tahta al-mizalla. Now this is also an ordering verb. Udkhulu means go to um, under the mizalla or enter in the under the mizalla. Mizalla means an umbrella. Hayya narji'u ila al-bayt bisura. Let's now return to the house quickly. Bisura means quickly. Tarakib jadida in this lesson are, as I tell you, that we are going to learn ordering verbs like imperatives, or you can say fail amr. In Arabic, actually, excuse me, if you look at the grammar, they will not tell you mustaqbal. Okay, there are fail madi, then fail mudare. Madi means past, mudare means present, and fail amr. There are three kinds of sentences in verbs in Arabic. One fail madi, one fail mudare, and one fail amr. Fail amr is actually a ordering tool. So if you see in grammar, you will not get the list of future tense. Why? Because future tense is very easy. You just take fail mudare and add seen in the beginning of all the fail mudares, and then you can create mustaqbal. That's why there is no another separate category for future tense. أحضر معك المظلة and أحضري معك الحقيبة. أحضروا معكم كرة القدم. Now spend a little bit time here. I want you all to spend a little bit time here. You see, there are three kinds of sentences. One, we have to order a boy here. Another one, we have to use ordering verb for a girl here. Third one, we have to order to a group of boys here. So even when you use ordering verb, that also has a gender and different categories. If you can see here, you can see the difference. Ahdir means I'm talking to a boy. I'm telling him to bring. Ahdiri means I'm talking to a girl. I'm telling her to bring something. Ahdiru means I'm talking to a group of boys or group of male person. Okay? And plural, male. And ahdiru means that you all bring. And if you see the helping verb which has been used here, ma'aha means with you. that is a preposition. Ma means preposition. Ka means, ka is a suffix. Ka is a possessive pronoun suffix, which means with you. And even that suffix also will be changing according to the gender and the number of persons. Ahdir ma'aka al-midalla. And then last, if you see, midalla, the noun is coming. So ahdir here is the subject. And with you, this is a helping word. Al-mizalla is the object here. So this is the ordering sentence. Ahdir, ordering verb. Ma'aka, with you. Okay. And mizalla is the noun. So this is the formation of sentence. Ahdiri means you, one girl, you bring ma'aki, with you al-hakiba. When we use for a boy any word which shows possession, we have to add at the end suffix ka with fatha, okay, on the top. This a sound. Like I will give you one example. Like if instead of midalla, if I say ahdir ma'aka al-kitab, okay, or if I say ahdir kitabaka, okay, ahdir kitabaka or kitabuka, bring your book. Ahdir kitabuka, bring your book. Or ahdir hakibatuka. So any noun or anything which you want to have a possession with, you just add suffix ka at the end, so it will change into your for a boy. If I want to use for a girl, so you have to choose any noun or a preposition, and after that you have to add ki for her. Ka for boy, ki for her, and kum for you all boys. Ahdir ma'aka al-midalla, ahdiri ma'aki al-hakiba, ahdiru ma'akum kuratul qadam. Just like this, you have to see all the pictures and change the sentence. Let's now do this together. So if you see here, I just make it minimize a little bit. Okay. So if I can add a text box here, I will add text box here, and I will show you how to write in Arabic here. Just make it small. Okay. So what should I write for the boy? Tell me. Ahdir or ahdiri? Because he's a boy, so I will write ahdir here. Ahdir. Ahdir means bring. What is he asking for him to bring? Book. Ma'aka, ahdir, ma'aka. Ma'aka will be same because we are talking to boy only. Al-kitab. And the book will be al-kitab. Al-kitab. See how easy it is? Ahdir ma'aka al-kitab. Now we are going to see this picture, picture number 6. Now in picture number 6, what does he saying? What does she saying? To bring. She's telling her to, let me clear this, clear all drawings. You have seen the first one. And let me clear this one also. Okay. I have to take annotation again. Sorry for delay. So I will take the text again. And I write here. Same word. Ahdir ma'aka al-kitab. Quickly I will write. Ahdir ma'aka al-kitab. Okay? Okay, sorry. Al-kitab. Ma'aka also has to add here kaf suffix. And now I will add text box here for this sentence. What is she asking her to bring? Camera. What you can see in the picture? Al-camera. So same formation you have to follow. So you will say ahdiri, 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 ma'aki, ma'aki with kasra. Okay, al-camera, al-camera. Okay, see, we are done. Sentence number 2. Let's now go to sentence number 3. Okay, Now, what this man is telling these boys to bring? He's saying, Ahdir ma'akum kuratus salla. You can see this is the basketball. Okay? Ahdiru, actually, ahdiru, ahdiru ma'akum with alif. Okay? This alif is not separate. Remember, it's a part of the plural sign. Ahdiru ma'akum, ma'akum. Okay, Kuratus Salla. Kuratus Salla. For the sports, if I have one video where you can just check the names of all the sports if you don't know the sports names. This is Kuratus Salla. Kuratus Salla means basketball. Okay. So let's now go to the next. Now, I need to remove this annotation from here. Stop, and then I have to scroll down, otherwise it will not come. Okay, so I have to clear our inner annotation because you have already seen. I will give you 1 minute if you can write it. Ahdir ma'aka al-kitab, ahdiri ma'aki al-kamera, and then we have ahdiru ma'akum kuratus salla. I just add text here so it will not be like invisible for you. So now what this daddy is asking his boy to bring, he's asking him to bring Al-Jarida. Al-Jarida means the magazine. So ahdir ma'aka, ahdir ma'aka. I wish I can go live and I can ask you all so you can tell me the sentences there and then, and I can write answers from you. Ahdir ma'aka al-Jarida. Al-Jarida. It means bring with you the magazine. Now, what these girls are doing, actually, they are talking about, I think it's Ashai, the tea, isn't it? If I'm not wrong, this is Ashai. So, because I can see tea bag here. So, it would be then Ahdiri ma'aki, okay, with key sound. Ashai. Okay, Ashai is like this. Then I have to add here. Now, what kind of ball is this actually? This is also a Kuratul Kadam ball, isn't it? If I'm not wrong. Yes. So let's now go to Kuratul Kadam one. Ahdiru ma'akum kura. We can even say kura also, no worries. We can even say kura also, okay? Kura. So you can see how easy it is to create ordering sentences. Let's now clear all these drawings, okay? And we will go to the next part of the lesson, which would be for this one. Listening we don't have. So I wish if I can have the listening so I can do this exercise with you, but I don't have audio for this. If somebody has, please share with me. Now, this is now reading. Passage 1, passage 2. Let's now go to reading. Let me take my spotlight here. Okay. Number 1, if you can see, this is about Fasl Rabi. Haza Fasl Rabi. You can repeat after me. Haza Fasl Rabi. This is spring season. The spring season we have to say, because Alif Lam is coming on the name of the spring season. Al-Jawu Mu'tadilun al-an. The weather is moderate right now. Al-Hadiqatu Jamilatun fi hazal fasl. The garden is beautiful in this season. Okay, season is called fasl. Nada is this lady, this girl. Nada zahibatun ila bayti jaddiha. Nada is going to the house of her parents. Like she is going to her parents' house. Hiya talbasu malabis khafifa. She is wearing light clothes. Malabis, clothes she is wearing. Khafifa is the preposition which is actually for this malabis. Baytul Jaddi fil Jibal. The parents' house is in the mountains. How beautiful, mashallah. Okay, the parents' house is in the mountains. Number 3, Haza Faslu Shita. This is a winter season. This is the winter season. What happens in winter season? How is the jaw? How is the weather? And how how you feel? It's actually barid. Barid means cold. Al-jawu barid al-an. The weather is cold right now. Talbasu nada malabis thaqila. Nada is wearing malabis thaqila. Okay? Thaqila means heavy clothes. Tajlisu nada ma'a jaddiha fil ghurfa. And what does she do in this weather? Tajlisu nada ma'a jaddiha fil ghurfa. She is sitting. Nada is sitting ma'a with jaddiha, her grand father. Fil ghurfa, in the room. Yasna'ul jaddu. Yasna'ul jaddu means the grandfather is making shayan haran, hot tea. Tashrabu nada ashayama al jad. Nada is drinking the tea with the grandfather, not her grandfather. Al jaddu means the grandfather. Jaddiha, her grandfather. So this is the difference between the grandfather and her grandfather. So you will, when you have to change the a noun into possessive pronoun, you just need to add some suffix. We are going to learn a separate lesson, inshallah, about it. I will do separate video for possessive pronouns because it's a big topic. So then you will get to know what suffix you have to use for all pronouns. Number 5, Hasa Faslu Saif. This is summer season. Right now we are in the summer. Nada tahmilu mizalla zarqa. Nada is holding blue umbrella. Right now it's not blue. Right now is this you can see it's not blue. It's safra. It's actually yellow. Al jawu harun alan. The weather is hot right now. Number 6, Nada tazuru baytul jad. Nada is visiting grandfather's house. Nada really loves her grandfather, isn't it? Yajlisu al-jaddu ma Nada fil hadika. The grandfather is sitting with Nada in the garden. Huma, they both. Now, this is the pronoun for those two. So those two, tahta shajaratin kabira. Those two are under a very big tree. A big tree. Shajaratin kabiratin means big tree. Because tahta is a preposition, that's why we have to use the word shajara and the word kabira with kasra sound, with kasratain, with 2 double sounds. We can't say here shajaratun kabiratun. Why? Because preposition is coming. So always remember, when preposition will come, the noun after that would come in majroor form, means with sound down. Okay. Now we have number 7. Haza faslu kharif yazzilu al-matr al-jibal al-ma'u kathirun al-ard. Okay, this is the autumn season. The matar is getting down on the mountains. Al-ma'u kathirun al-ard. The water is too much on the ground. Earth is actually ground. Yarkabu al-jaddu sayyaratahu. So now we are going to learn again our suffix about possession. The grandfather is riding his car. Huwa zahibun yazuru Nada. He is going to visit Nada. Now this time grandfather is going actually. Yahmilu al-jaddu ma'ahu lu'batan wa halwa. The grandfather is carrying with him, who means with him, loba, koi, and halwa, and sweet. Very good. Very good, very interesting. lesson, mashallah. Now you have to see the picture of the season and guess the name of a season. This is a very good activity. If you can see, matar is going on here. So what's okay? Ma hazal fasl, ma ismul fasl, ma ismul fasl haza, ma ismul fasl. So if you can see here, this is shita. If you can see here, this is saif. If you can see here, this is rabi. This can be kharif. This can be kharif. Okay. So now we will go to the fill in the blanks, and the words are given here: Kharij, Metaf, Yanzilu, Khalil, Tawaqqafa, and Sahab. So according to these words, you have to do fill in the blanks. املأ الفراغات بالكلمات المناسبة من الصندوق مستعينا بالصور. Look at the picture, read the sentence and fill it up. Okay, number 1 says Al-mataru fi fasl kharif. What is it? What actually you can see? So Yanzilu is the correct answer for this. So this one will go here. I can just use some of the, this one will go here. Okay. Then here, number two would be توقف القطار بعيدا عن المحطة. The bus is stopped far away from the bus station. Mahatta means bus station. So I can use annotation. So you can just see Yanzilu will come here. Yanzilu will come here. Then Tawakkafa would come in the number 2. Okay. Yalab al-awlad. Okay. Kharij al-bayt. Okay. Outside the home. This will go here. Fissama dash kasir. In the sky, what is that? There are too much clouds. There are too many clouds. So sahab will come here in number 4. Okay, if you want, I can write this for you. That would be better. So I will just write the text here. Okay, so it would be what? Yanzilu. So I'll just type the words here. I will just type the words here. Okay, let me bring this one here. So it would be As-sahabu yanzilu al-matar fi fasl al-kharif. The second one would be توقف القطار بعيدا عن المحطة يلعب الأولاد خارج البيت في السماء سحاب قصير هذا برتقال قليل actually is قليل في الدكان الملابس dash جميل ميتف جميل. So we're just trying to write some of the words for you. Let me just type the words here. That is taking a little bit long time. No worries. Let me just see why it's not coming. I need to take the annotation here. Why it's not coming. Okay, text. Okay. So I will write Yanzilu. 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 Then the next one would be here, al-qitar, okay, tawaqqafa, it stopped. What stopped? The bus is stopped. Tawaqqafa, bus is stopped. Tawaqqafa, the bus is stopped. Far from the bus station. Okay, yalab al-awladu kharij al-bayt. The boys are playing outside the house. Kharij al-bayt means outside the house. Okay, then fis samai dash kasir. Okay, you can see the options. Sahab is given, so no need to worry. You can just check the word in the options and you can just type here. Haza burtuqal. Qalil. You should write Khalil, though it's not Khalil. There are many, but only one is left for that. With Dukan al Malabis, in the shop of the clothes, dash Jameel, Metaf should come here because it's a quote. You can see the picture? This is called Pictionary, you know, and word and Pictionary together, they have given you Metaf Jameel. So you can just spend at least 15 seconds and read all the words which are coming here. Yanzilu, Tawaqqafu, Kharij, Sahab, Khalil, and Meta. Okay. So let me clear all the drawings. Sorry, I have to clear because without clearing, we cannot go forward. Let's now go to the next exercise, which says Lawin Wa'arif. I color and I know the name of the season. So what color you have to use here? As-sahabu aswad. Okay. The cloud should be black. Al-mizalla khadra. The umbrella should be green. Metaf aswad. Coat should be yellow. Ayu fasal haza. Which season is this? Now guess the name of the season here. Ashamsu safra. The sun should be yellow. Al-midarra. Al-midallatu hamra. The umbrella should be red. Al-qamis to azraq. The shirt should be blue. Ayu fasal haza. Which season is this? Now, these two questions I'm leaving on you. You have to tell me in comments that the first one, the girl one, which season is that? And there's a boy standing, which season is that? You have to tell me in Arabic, remember. Now we are on the last exercise, question and answers. You have to answer these questions. You can even answer these questions in the chat box. I will be waiting for your answers. Hal tuhibu fasl rabi limaza? Do you like the spring season? Why? If you go back to the lesson, you can see in the conversation boys were telling the preferences of their seasons and which season they like. So you can take the answers from that as well. Hal tuhibu fasl shita limaza? Do you like the winter season? Why? Mata talbasu hazihil malabis. When do you wear these type of clothes? Mata ta'kulu hazihil fakiha. When do you eat this fruit? Fi ayyi fasl antal an. Right now in your country, it's not mentioned, the country is not mentioned here. But right now, which season you are in? So right now we are in fasl side. Okay. So now I have to stop this video. Okay. Thank you so much. The other question and answers I will do later. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and please tell me your feedback in the comments. Okay, dear, bye. Masalama.